Hey everybody, it's Mr. Marshall at Stony Lane. I have a great book for you. This is a book that is going to be teaching us stuff about science, but it's also written like a story, so we can enjoy the story part. Okay, are you ready? It's called Moon, Earth's Best Friend. Ready? Here we go. So we're going to be listening to it like readers that want to learn something about the moon, but we're also going to be reading it like readers who just want to hear a really good story. Okay, are you ready? And maybe you're going to listen to it like just to enjoy the story first, and then you can listen to it again to listen for like the facts and stuff that you can learn. Ready? Look up, look up, look up! It's me, Moon. I'm Earth's best friend. Where Earth goes, I go. We have been together since the beginning, almost. Let me tell you our story. Once upon a time, about 4.5 billion years ago, a space rock the size of Mars crashed into baby Earth. Big ol' mess. Pieces of rock, chunks of Earth, and even lava were blasted into space. This crash trash came together to make me a satellite. That's right, a satellite. A satellite is a space word, and it means an object that follows another object around. Okay, let's see what it is. It says, actually, I'm Earth's only natural satellite. She has thousands of human made satellites, too. They're mostly metal and plastic, not exactly best friend material. Guess that makes me Earth's number one real sidekick. Did you know that? There's lots of other satellites that circle the Earth. In fact, there's some words that I skipped here by accident. It says natural means that it's not created by Earthlings. A satellite is, it says, I circle Earth. Okay? So there's all these other satellites that kind of circle the Earth, but people put that there. It takes me 27.3 days to go around the Earth once. It also takes me 27.3 days to spin once. Coincidence? I think not. Means I'm dependable. My face always smiles at Earth. You never see my backside. But you probably noticed I look different every night. Fun, right? Check out my phases. Look at this. You know that. The moon looks different every night. So this is called a waning crescent. This is called a new moon. This is called waxing crescent. This is called first quarter. This is called waxing gibbous. This is called full moon. Doesn't make wolves howl. This is called waning gibbous. And this is called last quarter. Here. Did you know that the moon has different names depending on what it looks like? It does. Some other planets have best friends too. I am Moon, but I'm not the only moon in the solar system. Look at this. All these other planets have moons too. Some of them have lots of moons. Here are some of them. Of all the moons, I'm the fifth biggest. It says, I'll always be Earth's pal, but that doesn't mean we're twinsies. She's bigger, 4 times bigger. Look at this. The moon is 6,784 miles around. The Earth is 24,874 miles around, and her gravity is six times stronger. Gravity is the invisible force that makes an apple fall to the ground instead of flying up to the sky. A cow that weighs 600 pounds on Earth would weigh only 100 pounds on me. Speaking of cows, Earth has cows and nursery rhymes starring cows, but a cow has never jumped over me. I am too far away even for a kangaroo to make that leap. Average distance between the Earth and me is 238,855 miles. You could fit 30 Earths in that distance, and probably a gazillion cows. BFFs help each other out. You see, I keep Earth from being too wobbly. This might be the most important thing that I do, and you probably didn't even know about it. You see, with me, there's gentle spinning, my gravity at work. Without me, topsy turvy. Don't worry, moon gazers, you're never without me. Did you know that? Did you know that the moon helps keep the Earth from being all shaky? It's true, because the moon has gravity too. It says, I don't disappear during the day, I'm always here for Earth. You just can't see me when it's super bright outside or when it's cloudy or when I'm on the other side of the Earth. I can prove that I'm always here. Check out the ocean's tides. This is going to be cool. Look at this. High tide happens twice a day. See, high tide is when the water seems like it's coming up higher over the beach and other places in the ocean. Low tide happens twice a day. That's gravity again. My gravity pulling on the Earth's oceans. Did you know that? Did you know that the moon does that? It pulls on the oceans. And sometimes if you're in a big lake, you can see it too. I have the best views of Earth, and Earth has the best views of me. But some Earthlings wanted to see me up close. I'm the only other place in the universe where man has ever set foot. And I do mean man. I'm still waiting for my first female astronaut. I've had 12 moonwalkers, and a few have left footprints. And some of those footprints are still here. No wind or rain or snow can mess them up. Other things you won't find on me. You won't find oxygen, mosquitoes, which is a good thing, I think, plants, animals, including cows, liquid water. Things you will find on me. Take a look. Rocks, really big rocks, more rocks, nail clippers, falcon feather, golf ball. These were presents from Earth. Stuff left behind by untidy astronauts. They left an American flag, too, and a hammer. Did you know that? Did you know that astronauts left that stuff on the moon and now it's there? Earth and I have had so much fun together, like when we play Eclipse. Solar eclipse. I hide sun for a few minutes. We play this during the day. Lunar eclipse. Earth's shadow passes over me. We play this at night. Have you ever heard that word, eclipse? It happens, but it doesn't happen that often. An eclipse is when that stuff happens and we like everything looks funny. I'm always here for Earth. I'm always here for you. Where Earth goes, I go. And where Earth goes, you go. I guess that makes us best friends too. And that's the end. In the back, there's a letter here from the author. It says, Dear fellow moon gazers, it's easy to see why Moon is Earth's best friend. Moon is loyal. We know exactly where and when we'll see her. Moon is helpful. She keeps our planet from being too wobbly and creates the tides. She's fun. You can't have an eclipse without her. In addition, Earth and Moon have history. They go back about 4.5 billion years. So next time you see your BFF, say, "You're as marvelous as the moon." And that's quite the compliment. Sincerely, Stacy McAnulty, author and fan of natural satellites. P.S. Everyday scientists are learning more and more about our solar system. Yay, science! So, some details may change as our knowledge expands, but hey, that's to be expected, right? And so there's a whole bunch of other stuff here. Two truths and a myth with the moon that you can read. Maybe we'll do that on another screencast. And other facts about the moon. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to think harder and learn more facts, maybe you can watch this video again, or you can find another book about the moon that might be written more like a fact book. Okay? All right, thanks. I'll see you next time.